This is the Bose QuietComfort earbuds. I purchased them in the white soapstone, which is sort of a light gray color. Noise cancelling earbuds 700, now known as the Bose QuietComfort earbuds.
Research complete.
They're pretty much the Apple AirPod competitor. Today I'm going to be reviewing a test for you. We're just showing you how they stay in my ears. The Apple AirPods, they always tend to fall out of my ears when I was chewing or eating or doing something. So I wanted to try out these Bose ones because of the wing tips that are here. So far testing it out, the sound quality is far superior from the Apple AirPods. The noise cancellation is pretty similar to the AirPods, not too different there, but I'm going to review how they stay in my ear. So watch out for me doing some crazy movements and weird things with my cheekbones and movement. I'm just trying to make sure it stays in. And how does it come out? To sync a new device, there's a Bluetooth button right here. Apple AirPods, I had a problem when I would move my cheeks, it would push it out. But these stay in place. I think it's because of the wing tips. When you insert it, they tell you to go in and then twist. There's a number here to determine the size. This is the number 2. Just kind of pull this off and add the number 3 here, like that. When you take one piece out, the noise cancel will turn off, but you can still hear the music coming from the other side. Right now I'm using the microphone to record this, so you can hear the quality of it. It's pretty good at capturing my voice. I'm talking a little bit lower. Let's see some other tests to see if it stays in. Stays in pretty good stuff. To use only one ear mode, you actually have to have both of them out of the case. If one stays in the case, you cannot put it into one ear mode. It's very strange. The way they designed how to open it, the button is really strange, so you have to get your finger just right. It's a little bit wonky. Conclusion, I like the sound quality of the Bose. It sounds great in my ears. The wingtips makes it feel very secure in my ear. The case opening and closing feels really cheap. I don't like that compared to the Apple AirPods. It's a great magnetic feeling when you open and close it. It's really weird how I have to take both of them out in order to just use one ear mode. And swapping devices is pretty seamless. Not, of course, as seamless as the Apple AirPod products. I wish the Apple AirPods would stay in my ear when I'm working out, but the fact that it doesn't, so these wingtips do stay in. And also the Apple AirPods, just Apple ecosystem integration is very stellar. Like if a text message comes in, it'll automatically read it into my ear and I can respond to it. The Bose does not have that feature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.